Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to show you a very simple way to create an alpha map. I'm going to create a leaf with the alpha map. First, I'm going to add one plane, scale it little bit. So this is our plane. I'm going to add some subdivisions to the plane. Go to edit mode, click on this edge, press Ctrl R and type 4 or type 2. Ctrl R, type 2. Here also click on this edge, press Ctrl R, type 2. Okay, so now go in shader mode, create a new material, principal BSDF. Now press Shift A and search for image texture and select our texture. This is my leaf texture. You can create a PNG from Photoshop or directly download from net PNG file. Very easy to create PNG file in Photoshop. Or you can, if you want, you can download ready-made PNG from internet. So click and drag on base color to base color. See, this is our leaf. Now I want this black part to be invisible. For that, just click on this alpha and click and drag on this alpha here. See, like this we can create a easy uh, easy alpha map in Blender. If you want, you can also move like this and add subdivision modifier. If you want, you can also click and drag here like this. See this. In this way, you can create a easy alpha map in Blender. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys liked this video. This is a easy video on how to create an alpha map. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.